Okay, so let's start with $1 million question. What is Ollama? So, Ollama is an open source project that serves as a powerful and user friendly platform for running LLMs. Now, LLMs, as we know, stand for large language models on your local machine. So that's the game changer, right? Now you have the capability to run local LLMs on your machine. Now, again, if we compare it with ChatGPT, I will do a lot of comparisons with ChatGPT because that's the most popular one and the one that people are using. You basically need to go to the internet. You need to go to chatgpt.com, use their interface, and then you can start doing queries. But here we are saying it's an open source project which is giving you the capability to bring the entire LLM or the capabilities of LLM on your own local machine or your server, right? The next thing says it bridges the gap between complex LLM technology and the need for an accessible, customizable AI experience. Now, again, a lot of things are quite logged with ChatGPT if you think in that sense, right? Because and people used to think it's a complex technology, right? It's no more complex because you can really bring the entire data that is sitting there onto your local machine, and once that data is there, then you can start querying against that data. It's that simple. Even you can use RAG capabilities. We'll look into that in upcoming lectures. So where you can say, okay, I just need to use the generative capabilities of my model, but I will still use my private data, right, which is RAG. So for the moment, just don't get confused. Just remember that Ollama is nothing but an open source project. It is allowing you to have a very user friendly platform. Trust me, it's an amazing platform. When you work on it, it works like a breeze. And you have the capability to run LLMs locally on your machine or your server. Thanks for watching.